Did you know that many Etsy sellers make more money on Etsy in the last quarter than they do the entire year due to the holiday rush? And I know many sellers will make as much as 100,000. So if you are ready to finish the last quarter of the year strong and blow up your shop with sales, then continue watching. In today's video, I will share how to get your shop prepped for the holiday rush, what tools to use to identify trending products that will get you sales, and where to invest your time to explode your traffic. Update inventory. The first thing you need to start doing to prepare for the holiday rush is updating your inventory. If you are thinking of adding new listings, this is the time to start adding them. Many people, including myself, shop early for the holidays. So there's no better time than now to add new products to your shop. Instead of creating products you think are fun, do proper research. If you want to make money, find products that are in high demand, trending, or underserved and relevant to your niche. By doing product research, you're guaranteeing to find products that actually sell. Be transparent with shipping details. Another essential task all sellers must share with prospective buyers is important shipping details. Make sure to be transparent and add the disclaimer of your shipping policy everywhere in your shop. So therefore, add it to your Etsy photos, description, shop policy, shop announcement, banner, and about me section. Think about how long it takes to prep an order before it ships and adjust your time accordingly. Offer gift wrapping. Another thing to consider is including gift wrapping with any purchase. Many people shop on Etsy for family and friends, and providing gift wrapping as an option might give them the push to buy from your shop. Download the Sell on Etsy app. So in addition, you want to make sure to make yourself available to quickly connect with customers via messages. I recommend you download the Sell on Etsy app so you could respond to messages when you are away from your computer. Always remember that the quicker you respond, the higher the chances they might buy from your store. Consider Etsy Plus. If you don't currently use Etsy Plus, sign up for it for the holiday rush. With Etsy Plus, you have a chance to add a retractable banner where you will be able to showcase your best sellers, new products, or any items you have on sale. It will give exposure to products prospective buyers have yet to see and might be interested in buying. Review Etsy stats. If you have been on Etsy longer than a year, review your Etsy stats for the last quarter of the year in 2021. The Etsy stats will help you view insights on your crucial performing indicators and see where your traffic came from, what was the busiest time for you, your top sellers, and much more. You could use this information to prepare yourself for this year properly. Etsy tools. Now let's talk about tools that you could use to see what's trending. Now the first tool is the Ultimate Guide to Holiday, which Etsy released a few weeks ago. And I will leave all the links to the tools below in the description area. The Ultimate Guide to Holiday provides tools and tips for shop owners of all experience levels to utilize during this unique holiday retail season. Etsy can be a trending platform, and as a seller, it's your job to stay updated with what's hot and trending before your competition. So another tool that I recommend is eRank. They have a feature called Hot that showcases what's currently trending on Etsy and other marketplaces like Pinterest, Facebook, just to name a few. So make sure to use this tool every single week to stay on top of the products that you can make that can blow up your sales. Amplify your reach. So now let's discuss how to amplify your reach and attract more prospective buyers during the holiday rush. So the number one platform I recommend to promote your products during the holiday season is Pinterest. You want to start adding photos, videos, and idea pins of any products you currently have or plan to add to your shop. Focus on making fresh pins since Pinterest prefer new content over old content. And if the holiday season is your peak, I recommend running Etsy ads. through the entire quarter. You have the option to promote your top sellers or the whole shop. This will get you more eyeballs to your shop and triple your sales. I have done this with clients of mine in the past that they have spent about $3,000 in ads and made over $65,000. Now for Black Friday and Cyber Monday, I do recommend running high budget ads so you could get as many eyeballs to your products when everyone is shopping to buy. But the key is to start a few days before to get some traction. In addition to running sales, set up a thank you coupon to encourage shoppers to continue doing business with you. The coupon should be sent 24 hours after you marked an order complete. So there you go, my top tips to help you prepare for the holiday season and make some serious money. Are you getting ready for the holiday rush? Let me know in the comments below.